Hello, my name is Karpaswamy. I'm going to be doing my fifth lab experiment on Android. So this experiment is basically about creating a media player object, and then we'll have to use the object to load and play a song. So let me explain everything for you. So this is my XML design. So as you can see, I've been using a linear layout, and the orientation is vertical. So everything will be one below the other. So there are two buttons that I've entered. So the first button is for playing the music, and the second button is for pausing the music. And so these two buttons will carry the event handler for playing and pausing the music. And let me explain how things happen here. So inside resources, there will be a folder called raw, which I created, and inside raw I've given a song that will be loaded into the media player, and then we're going to use this song which will be played and then paused, and then whatever we can do. So as you can see, this is the main activity, and it extends app compared activity, and we've given two different buttons, variables, bplay and bpause. That is the first button and the second button. So inside the onCreate function, we're using the set content view to set the layout that we just created, that is the activity main.xml, and after that we'll set these two button objects to the respective views, that is the first button and the second button over here. So for that we'll use the find view by id function, and then we'll get the respective buttons by using their id, that is pl and pa, and then we'll use the typecasting for converting the integer, because find view by id will return a integer value, and we're going to convert it into a button object, and then we'll store it in bplay and bpause, and then we're creating a media player object. So this media player object will be used for starting and pausing the song. So the how we're going to load the song is, we're going to use media player dot create function. So this create function will get the application context of the current activity, and then we'll also use the id for the song, that is r.raw, which is a folder that contains the song, dot song's name. So the song's name is just song, and then after this I'm giving bplay dot set on click listener. So this is used for handling the event when the button is clicked. So on bplay we'll have to play the music. So for that we're giving the media player dot start media player dot start, and this function will start the media player, and then bpause dot set on click listener will set the event handler for bpause. So this button will be used for pausing the media player. So for that we're using media player dot pause function. So that is it. This is a simple program. Now let's run this program. So it's loading now. So as you can see, this is the play button and the pause button. When I'm clicking the play button, the song has to play. So as you heard, the song will start playing, and on clicking the pause button, the song will pause. This is the program. Thank you for watching.